The second step in making Zhengshantung black tea is the soft rolling and fermentation of the tea leaves, which tells the story of a single leaf. Zhengshantung black tea is not only a gift from nature, but also a testament to the craftsmanship of tea makers. After the tea leaves are picked and withered, they need to be rolled and twisted. This process shapes the leaves into strips, breaking down the cells to release moisture and accelerate the enzymatic oxidation of various compounds, resulting in the soft gold found in tea. The efflavins lay the foundation for the fresh, sweet taste of spring tea. Jinjun Mei from Zhengshantung is made from tender buds, making the rolling process more complex and challenging, which tests the skills of the tea master. This is one of the unique aspects of the Jinjun Mei process. Fermentation is a flexible part of black tea production, centered around the enzymatic oxidation of various substances. It is a key step in developing the color, aroma, and subtle quality characteristics of black tea. Factors like temperature, humidity, oxygen, time, and pressure significantly influence the enzymatic oxidation of tea polyphenols, making it a test of memory and experience for the tea maker. A cup of Zhengshantung spring tea is crafted from nature and shaped by skill, poured from the tea mountain into the cup, pure and truly delightful.